Today we're going to be changing the transmission fluid on the 78 Puch Maxi Sport moped. To start, we're going to drain the fluid. The drain plug is located on the bottom of the engine, so we'll go ahead and loosen that and let all the fluid drain out into a pan. With all of our fluid drained, we'll go ahead and reinstall the drain plug into the bottom. Now we'll go ahead and remove the fill port screw. This moped takes Type F automatic transmission fluid. If you have the 1-speed automatic, it's going to be 5.75 ounces. The 1-speed automatic with auto start will be 4.1 ounces, and the 2-speed automatic will be 9.5 ounces. So add the respective amount of fluid to your moped. And once the fluid is added, you can go ahead and reinstall the fill port screw.